Matthew, put the food where it belongs. It doesn't belong there. Chris? You don't know what you're eating for dinner? There, we've got KFC in the fridge. They're sitting in the bag. These are the last minute to stay in the fridge. We're not going to eat it. Okay? There's like lots of chicken in there, I think.
Go get that shit.
Oh yeah, I'll go. Just in a little bit, Mom. Not yet.